bad quality because I'm on my phone. But that was day 2. We didn't film yesterday, but me and Grayla went out in the morning out here at Sedonia. And we tried to hunt. Can't see a thing. We're terrible. I think it's because she washed her hair. It's pretty bad. She ruined all night. That's what I'm gonna say. No, she went, but it was pretty fun. It was our first night. I should have filmed. But I'm gonna try to make hunting videos better and be like your camera or set this up some better. But we're out here day 2. I done made a makeshift pond here. And kind of skipped church for this, but we're talking to God out here. So it's good too. But I don't know why I'm always so close, but we made a makeshift pond here. Let me see if I can. I'll show you. Got our vortex on. Vortex. It's awesome. I'm sure. But we got a little setup right here. I'm gonna just stay out here and wait. And then in the evening time, I'll pick y'all back up. And we're gonna go to the pond that me and Grayla hunted in and just sit till the sunset. And I might set the phone up and get some better footage. But yeah, hopefully we can get some or maybe see something. But I'm gonna try to post more hunting videos and be fun. Maybe Grayla